This week I take this nutcase into this jungle for some motorcycle camping. Stick around. So after riding with Dan for several weeks now, and apparently after watching a few of my camping videos and talking about that, he got all excited and ordered all the gear that he needed to can't go motorcycle camping. And finally, this is our first trip into the woods, so Dan could shake down his gear and figure out if this was something he wanted to do. Yeah, I don't know, man. I've never set your hammock up. Well, I do not know. It took me a while to learn my hammock. I will tell you that. It took me a while to learn mine.
It's really so nice that you're documenting
the struggle.
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of like the thing earlier. He's like, "Don't take pictures of me. I'm fat. Destroy all these pictures. I'm fat." Oh, no. Yeah, you're gonna have to pull that one a little bit tighter, I think. Yeah, I like the strap system, man. I like that system.
You never even, do you pull it tight? Like this?
I don't know, dude. I don't know your hammock. I have no idea.
Well, you know, there's a.
I'm guessing if you want to,
like, you know, you ask, well, do I nail this stud? And you go, well, I've never built this your house before.
Well, yeah, I'm a wood carpenter, and you're building with steel. I don't fucking know how you put put those steel frames. I don't know. It's two completely different worlds.
You know, you're funny because if I don't want your opinion, then you
give it. Oh,
and then if
every
I
single
ask
time.
you, then you go, well, you know.
Speak louder.
Oh boy, we haven't even
started drinking yet.
Yeah, we're into camping together for the first we haven't even started camping. I mean, I might just pack up and go home.
Talk louder to yourself.
This is not your standard hammock. It's
not. That's why I don't want to give you any advice. I don't know.
It's got poles.
It's got poles.
Whoa. A hammock.
Well, it keeps the net off your face. I get that much.
Wow. Okay, so.
But you want to lay flat too, and I don't know how to tell you to do that, right?
You know, why this? I think it's too tight.
Could be.
Yeah, it's way too tight. Okay.
It's one way to find out. But we'll tell you that.
That's a problem. Let's see. We go down a notch.
You say you brought a chair? It's too low.
Well, I kind of wanted to, but I have a chair to sit.
Yeah.
Wanted to look out and.
Dan has covered up his bike because he doesn't like salt water on his bike, I don't think. But
Well, to be truthful, my bike doesn't like salt water.
so it tends to rust.
I don't mind, but
You don't care?
yeah, when the electrical starts giving me problems, and hey,
Dan's having some tuna mixed with.
hey, am I looking kind of like Santa Claus? And my sister on Zoom a meeting the other day said that. Hey, who's that Santa Claus looking guy?
Santa Claus.
Hey, not bad. A little thin, I guess.
Tuna and sardines. That's what you
Yeah.
had for dinner.
She's
So
a mermaid.
yeah. So we've been into a little bit of whiskey.
Fireball.
Yeah. Total that bottle out. I'm not going to say what the next commodity we'll be consuming here, but it's green.
Well,
And
it has
it burns.
It has fire.
It has. Yeah, we're going to be burning that soon because it's legal on this island. If you know what I'm saying.
Well, I like to think of myself as spiritual, but man, I'm drinking Fireball, and I just looked at the bottle, and here's a burned out thing, and it's got a devil like spitting a fireball.
Wow.
Like, wow.
Angle that
I
up.
want to be
angle
that
that
guy.
up. Angle that up so they can see it at the camera. Angle it this back
Oh,
this way. So yeah. I don't know if they can see it, but
Well,
yeah.
anyway.
I've never noticed that. I just drank the whole damn thing and
I
then
mean,
threw it away.
I hope that doesn't. I hope I can sleep tonight after seeing that.
Well, either that or
Wow. Okay.
it's too late. I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's too late. Well, on the front, he's spitting a fireball. I mean, I guess had I poured some and you didn't keep filling my glass for me. Anyway.
Well, so
Thank you, Don.
we're both kind of soused.
Yeah. Well, we're in Hawaii enjoying the oceanfront cliff setup camp spot.
Well,
And,
let's go walk to the coast and
All right.
show everybody our campsite.
all right.
Because that's what you do on a live stream. I mean, I guess you could sit in front of a freaking computer and talk about gibberish, but if you're going to do a live stream, so I just crawled out of my hammock back there. You can see pretty good spot. Dan's spot is right over here.
It's
got the-
it's a crappy spot because I'm a newbie.
Well,
Oh, maybe I can't say crappy on YouTube. Huh?
Dan's a bit self-conscious because this is going to be his first official night not only moto camping but hammock camping. And he's made a pretty huge investment in the hopes that he might enjoy hammock camping and motorcycle camping and all the other stuff. But so far, I think he's kind of into it. But
Well,
we'll know in the morning if he cusses me out or wakes me up at 3 in the morning and says, "What the hell were you thinking?
well,
Why the hell did you invite me to motorcycle camp, much less try to convince me that hammock camping was a thing?" But we'll see in the morning.
Yep. Well,
We're live streaming on YouTube. You're welcome to join us.
there's a vacant lot in my property. You know Doug and Mylin? Yeah. And then there's John,
You see the one that's built in
the
house
new house.
for the longest time?
Yeah,
Look at
yeah.
the old house that's been going up for
Yeah.
6
It's Thursday morning, and this was Wabi Sabi's first night moto camping and first night hammock camping. What do you think?
Moto-camping, well, if I go back 40 years, maybe I might have moto.
You may have
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe this is not that big of a
Yeah.
deal to you. But
Well, no. I mean, it is because that would have been just with a tent and stuff. But,
yeah, well, still, you
so-
threw something on a motorcycle and you got out there.
Yeah, but first hammock camping. Well, virtually first moto camping, and you turned me on to it. That's cool, and couldn't be a better spot.
Yeah, that's a pretty good spot.
Yeah, it's a great spot.
So we got a little bit of rain last night. Did you come out okay? You just kind of draped your tarp, I noticed. Let's go look at your setup here. So did you have trouble with rain or
No.
anything else?
No, I didn't. I did good. I mean, next time I'll look for a spot where I can. Well, I could have easily.
You could have tied. You
I
could have tied
to
some.
that tree. But
You could have. What I use when there's no ground is stone or branches or whatever I can find. If you got trees, you got branches
well,
somewhere.
we got to come around this way because I set it up to look to this. Like as easy as could be right here.
Yeah.
I mean, like to that.
Yeah, absolutely.
To that tree,
Absolutely.
and then I would have had a awning. But I did pretty good.
But it wasn't swampy or sweaty or anything.
No.
Good.
No, I was I'm borderline claustrophobic,
Yeah, me too.
so that's why.
That's why I'm surprised you did well last night.
Yeah, I learned like the placements. I'm trying to figure out how I can keep all this stuff because it's really hard to move
Yeah.
the stuff underneath you when
Yeah,
you're on it
very.
and you're in a dip.
Right.
It's like you almost have to get out and readjust. You probably noticed that, huh?
Yep.
And I don't know. It was a good first trial.
Yeah, I expected you to be miserable the way you were talking the other night. I expected you to be miserable, but
Well, I had to do it. I mean, at home, I tried it out for an hour and a half, and then I said, forget this, because it's kind of like having, a big dinner waiting for you, or a nice bed,
Right.
and you kind of deal with the discomfort of a camp chair and the camping for the sunrise and getting up in a spot like this,
Right.
and hanging out with the view. It's
Right.
all about just and the openness and nature.
Yeah. here we are. And there's our breakfast coconut over there.
Yeah.
Let's go walk out here on the cliff,
Yeah.
see what's going on.
This is live stream. Huh?
This is live stream. Yeah. That's a pretty nice sunset, even though the clouds are covering most of it. That's pretty good.
Fun rise.
Did I say sunset?
Yeah, I think so. Well, we can go back and pick you up.
We could.
Hey, that's a nice aspect of this. Huh?
What's that?
I think that's life from the spaceship wanting to land out there.
Tight squeeze, dude.
It's so real, but I'm on the bunking. And I'm going to make it, I just slow her up.
Look at you. That was fun, dude.
All right. Talk to you later.
Later, man.
Bye, everyone.
Well, it was a good evening and really relaxing. Had a good time with Dan, hanging out with him, having a little bit of whiskey and some fun. But he's been gone a few hours. I've got an appointment, a meeting this afternoon, so I need to go back in, get packed up, get in, take a shower, and head towards Kapoho. Not too much of a mess. Should clean up pretty tidily here. Saw a nice pod of dolphins came through earlier. Never seen the dolphins. I've seen whales. I've never seen dolphins. Maybe I'm just not looking close enough. My fishing was a total fail. I don't have the right rod for the gear that I brought, so. Jungle in here. You know, this was a funny evening in the jungle, taking Dan on his first real motorcycle camping trip. A footnote, the funniest thing is that apparently it had a pretty good impact on Dan, because he went out the next day and started checking prices and availability for a Tenere, the new Tenere 700. And he he went ahead and purchased one. It'll be here in a few weeks. But apparently, motorcycle camping has that kind of a profound impact on people. I know it has me, and I know how transformative motorcycle camping can be, and just traveling by motorcycle. Can't travel very far on this island. I think. I haven't timed it yet, but I'm pretty sure I could probably do a loop of the island in 5 or 6 hours if I put my mind to it. I did something pretty close to that the other day, and I wasn't even trying to loop the island. But we don't have far to go, but the impact is still the same. The ability to transform your attitude and possibly your life is there. It's real. That's why I talk a lot about motorcycle camping, stealth camping, going places where maybe it's not completely legal or legit or whatever you want to say. People, something out of the way. The experiences that you can have not camping in a campground are amazing, and that's kind of what I try to promote. I think it's a good idea to promote ethical camping at the same time, but don't make a mess. Don't make an impact. Try to stay off private property if you can. Sometimes I've camped on private property and just, I had to stop somewhere. I was a danger to myself and others. So, but thanks for watching this latest episode of Motorcycle Camping in the Jungle, and I hope to see you soon. Like, share, and subscribe. You know what to do. See ya.